Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Bimli Beach. You can see this is Bimli Beach. The views here is amazing guys. You can see these are the park area, and that is Mahatma Gandhi statue. The view here is so beautiful. You can check out the view. It's so beautiful. They have a mermaid statue. We'll go there guys, we'll go there and show you. ले लेंगे photo. Actually guys, there are lots of photographers here on the beach and they are just so irritable. They are forcing everyone to take picture, but that's not good, right? We wanted to roam here freely and they are chasing us from the back to take the photo, but we are not interested. Finally today the weather is very good. Oh my god, I wanted to swim here. It used to be very crowded. I've seen on the videos or the pictures. You can see the black sand. What do you say about this place, guys? Did you like Bimli Beach? There are small stores, so eating stores. Okay. And guys, you can see the mermaid statue. This is mermaid. She's pretty. And you can see the guard. They are the guard of the mermaids. They are the guards of the mermaids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six guard dogs. Dogs. I'm just kidding, guys. They are chilling out there, and there's a small statue too, but I'm not taking it now because people think that I'm taking their pictures or videos. Look, closer look. A mermaid statue. They are chilling out. So guys, this is the mermaid statue. Maybe this will be for the thumbnail. मन परेको जस्तो छ तिमीलाई. Sorry guys, today I'm not vlogging in Hindi because you know what, English vlog is more comfortable for me than Hindi because I'm not so good in Hindi also. Actually this beach is not so popular than the other ones. We see very less people. My hair, it's too windy, and see my hair, it's blowing on the wind. There are a lot of trashes over there. See here, the flower trashes, maybe artificial flowers or what. It's a marigold. It's a marigold, guys. But this beach is not so beautiful for me. Last week there was a Ganapati, Indian god, Ganapati festivals. Finished the festival and threw all the trashes over the beach. You can see this one. Actually this one are used on the statues to make statues. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's like 50-50. 50? No, I know. It's true. They make statues of something like dry leaves and something like that. Because I've seen in Siliguri. And here, you can check out the view, guys. The waves are not so high. but it's too windy. You can see my hair, it's blowing like what? I don't know. Maybe she's searching for a sale. If you go to different places and visit and have experience, that's the best thing. Good or bad, you have to get experience actually. And here is a pretty much good experience. Not so bad and not so good also. But this is fine, guys. Not so perfect, but some of them are swimming, and you can see the Ganapati trasses. Actually, this is so bad. The weeks ago, they worshipped them and now they threw here. You can see. Actually, I do respect, but this is not the thing, guys. You can see the Ganapati statues lying on the water. You can see the head of the Ganesha, the trunk of Ganesha. But over there also a trunk. Ganesha is the Hindu religious god. And now they are throwing here over here, guys. I didn't like it, but I respect Hinduism. I respect all religion, guys. I have to run away, guys, because I don't want to wet my shoes. And the crow, what are you waiting for, boy? You want some food? Oh, you can't fly. Okay. You don't want to fly? Oh, it's so... I'm getting fresh air, guys, because it's so warm. What did I step on?
Red sand.
This is... I think this is a seat or what? A dog seat or what?
Red sand. Oh.
No, this is not sand. This look like a dog seat. My goodness. You. I need to wash my. You. Guys, I think I stepped on a dog seat. That's what I do. Now, you. Too nasty, guys. Oof. I don't know when did I step there. The seats to rest, and this is like pani puri stall. Hot chat, spicy. Okay. And corn stall. A grandma is selling, and the trash. Ew. And you can see the cow dung everywhere, and the coconut stalls here. There are many food stalls over there that we are not trying here, guys, because we just had our lunch half an hour ago. The crows are eating rice and vegetables. You can see there a dolphin head. The enter and exit gate. Actually, that is the enter and exit gate to the beach. Yeah, you can see here's the entry and exit gate of a dolphin mouth. We have another plan, guys. Now we are moving to another place, like palm forest or palm, where lots of palm trees are there. We'll go there and show you the view. Okay, stay tuned. Now we are here at palm forest. I call this area as a palm forest because there are so many palm trees. You can see. Oh wow, there are a lot of palm trees, guys. You can see the palm tree. I think this is more beautiful than Gimli Beach, right guys? You can see the sand is also so clean, white sand. I call these palm forests because there are a lot, guys. You can see there, I don't know. And here most of the people here come to chill, guys, because this is so relaxing place. Let me go into my palm forest just to show you guys. I hope I might not step on again on a dog seat or a human seat. Guys, this is the palm forest. You can check out. There are so many palm trees, a lot. You can see it's so dense. Oh my goodness, guys, this is my first time here and I love it. And here you see, you know, he looks so tired. I don't know what he's looking at. What's this, guys? Can you say the name of this tree? And here it looks similar to a pine tree. Please guys, tell me the name of that tree, this tree, and comment down. So this is all about today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed my vlog, and if you like my vlog, then please subscribe to my channel, as well as also follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. So meet you guys on my next trip or adventure. See you, bye. Vinod is still waiting.